Okay, so good to go. So working on my dad's funeral home website. Yeah, creating a form like that says to help fill out, create more forms using Payload CMS. If you've never used that, we have that in common, more or less. I've definitely built some things with it, used it in my last job, and I'm currently using it now. But it's something I'm very excited about, in the sense of this idea that I have for my dad. Well, it's not an idea. It's just a website for a funeral home to host memorials or obituaries when folks pass away. But of course, being the YouTube watcher that I am, I'm thinking about, like, why not, as they say, white labeling it and making it, driving around to funeral homes here in the region. Would that be fun? Fun little day. But anyway, tonight specifically, I'm working on, as this says, I think I'm repeating, using Payload. Let's see if I can pull up Payload. Let's log in first to the system. I just want to validate some things. Here. Oh wow, this is really cool. So a couple things. Yep, up here we've got the record cam view. That's the record I'm currently listening to. It is called Caricatures by Donald Byrd. Fantastic record. He's a fantastic man. In fact, hold on. We're gonna have to go face only for Mr. Byrd. This is the record here. You see that? Yeah. Caricatures. Oh yeah, there it is. Gorgeous. Uh-huh. So that's what I'll be listening to. Due to oh, sorry, I got distracted. Due to how the stream, like, I can't play it for you on the stream, but you should know that that's what I'm listening to, in addition to some sound wave frequencies. Okay, I just had to show you the record. I'm gonna get back to the code here in a second. So just so you know, I'm putting on the focus frequency, so I'll be able to stay dialed in, and you shouldn't be able to hear it. If you need to focus, maybe you could get a subscription to this app called Soak. Let's go. Hayes plays on your dev journey. That's so cool. What's your mobile app? What are you working on? What are you building? A mobile app? Are you using React Native or Cordova? Do they see, is that still a thing, or is it just native? Not just native. Excuse me. All right, switching back. I'm still with the Haze. Just switching to my. Get my record right over here. still with you, Hayes. 1 second. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. The record just started so beautifully. I got to start over. Woo. Okay. This centralized calendar that allows people to import events from other calendars without those calendars knowing. Oh, secret. Espionage. Calendar espionage. Let me see what else he got there. Focus on building an app that allows entrepreneurs, people need to hold down multiple 9-5s. Do it without seamlessly having to worry about alarming them. Oh my goodness. This is some backdoor dev. That's cool though. Hey Johnny. I'm a software QA by trade, so this is my first shot at development. That's cool, Hayes, though. That's cool. That whatever gets you in. There's some cool things you have to think about in order to bring that to life, which I think are really cool use cases, like the surreptitious nature of the development. Okay, so just to validate or verify, confirm. By the way, hey Johnny, just started your dev journey. Hey Johnny, welcome. That's really cool. I'm happy to hear it. I remember that feeling. In some ways, I'm back in it because I've been a web development instructor for a period of time. If you see me dancing, it's because this record that you can see there is so nice. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. You can see it spinning there. There you go. That's more fun. There we go. I was a web development instructor for a while after being an engineer solely for a while, for some period, a couple years. And now that, trying to get back in the game with jobs and whatnot, everything's so different. Yeah, shout out Mr. Potato Head too. Everything's so different. So in many ways, I just started my dev journey as well, Johnny. So shout out to us. Now, what I'm building is my dad's funeral home website. So to prove that I'm for real, here's a death certificate for the state of North Carolina. One day your name. You might as well get used to it. You know what I'm saying? Just think about it. It's going to happen, right? So ultimately what I want to happen is, this is not for tonight, but ultimately what I want to happen is someone fills out a form on this website like this. First name, last name. I've got more form fields to do there. And on my dad's end, it fills out this form for him, like automatically, or at least whatever they give in the form. That would save him some time. But in addition to that, I wanted to create one of these. Let's see. I wanted to create. Maybe I'll have the website up. Okay, good. I wanted to automatically create one of these memorials. Now, obviously, these here are. These people haven't died yet because they have never been alive. But anyway, excuse me. You can see that this that this would be what a deceased person's memorial page would look like, and all of that is configured in the CMS. Maybe I have more content in one. No. Oh, okay. Well, either way. You can see that I want to be populated by the form I just showed you. I think this is it. Yeah. So the scenario will be someone in your family. No. My father is alive. My father is a funeral director of a funeral home, and I'm his son, and he does not have a website. So in addition to building him a website, I'm building him an application for the management of his business, which is a funeral home. But when he dies, I don't know what's going to happen with it, because who's gonna? It's like who cooks for the chef, that kind of thing. But so yeah, that's what I'm working on. Johnny, tell me about your first website, and if I may, I will edit your message to say you are going to. Let's see. Hold on, let me give you. You are going to make your first website this month, Johnny. Johnny MC. Johnny MC from the 313. Let your hands up and follow me. Let's see here. This tea is so good. Okay, so this is Payload here, the admin form. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Johnny. That was autocorrect. I will, Haze Place. Thank you for the love. All right, so the problem here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what we're looking at, good, is the admin screen of Payload.js, which if you've never heard of that, you can think of it as like a WordPress for sorry, this album's going crazy. You can think of it as like a WordPress for Node.js and the JavaScript ecosystem. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, you might remember this form. You remember? Okay, so just remember this. We got first name here. Maybe that's kind of small. Let's make it bigger. Let's build a little empathy and see what it looks like on your end. Oh yeah, that's kind of hard to see. My bad. Could be better. I think it's like the resolution is not the shape of the screen. All right, stand by. I'm still gonna chat with you, but I just have to fix some aspect ratios while we chop it up, as it were. Let's go screen only, right, or something like that, or this one. No. Yeah, we'll do that. That way we get a little something to look at besides my face. Okay, now I'm probably gonna host it on Cloudflare pages. Okay. Johnny, what is it gonna be? It's gonna be like an informational site about stuff you're interested in, or what? Oh no. Still with you guys, don't worry. Oh. Oh, shout out to Command Z. How about now? I bet you can hear me now. Oh, so that's why nobody was responding. I was talking to you about my keyboards. Thanks. About my, yeah, big LOL, Johnny. It's like, what kind of life is this guy leading? Okay, so then I'll ask the question again. It's hard to read the text, right, on the screen here? Or here? It's like not super clear in it. And then after we're done with this, I will get to the code. Don't worry. Thank you for your patience. It's readable. Okay, thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. That's what's up, my friend. I appreciate it. Okay. All right, so you can see how this is. Here's the code base here. Oh, there's Claude, my buddy. I'm a right side file explorer guy. What are you gonna do? So with Payload 3.0, which is what I'm using, it comes as a Next.js app. So built in with a Next.js app. You can use Payload with other frameworks, but you won't get like the things that are baked in to work as a full app, like such as the admin's UI. You won't get. You'll just basically get the content management part of it, being able to create collections and globals, and maybe I'm not sure about pages, because if you wouldn't be using Next.js. But anyway, the core of it is we have this a lot of directories. I happen to be using a template from Payload, and I happen to be using a template from Payload for what they call the website template, and I've made a few modifications to it, and I will continue to do so. But out of the box, you get I don't know yet, Johnny. Great question. But out of the box, you get out of the box of the template, not Payload. You get pages, which you get with the framework anyway. But you get posts already as if it were it's ready to go out of the box to do a blog. So that's cool. And then a couple other things which are nice for like SEO and a few other things which I should probably nail down before the talk in the intro. I just know like particularly the problem I'm trying to solve there right now, and then I'll build I'll accessorize around it. Hostinger would be good, I heard. Hostinger's going hard on the app. I mean in video ads on YouTube. Okay, so the problem that I'm dealing with right now, or actually let's prove one more thing to you. This first name, last name, state of birth, state, and file here that it's in the admin is the reason that this form says first name, last name, state of birth, most recent residence, file. Now the problem is I should be able to update these labels here, or for example the accepted file types, and have it persist from this form, but I'm not able to do that. So let me just restart the server. And then we'll get back to that. back to using. Yeah, like I'm definitely gonna have to self-host this. They have they being Payload. They have this Payload cloud thing, but it's like $35 a month, and it definitely is everything you need, and that would be nice. But um, I don't want to pay $35 a month, and that's just for one. It's something like, let's look at the pricing. Okay, the app started, by the way. Let's look at the Payload pricing. I gotta switch to another. Yeah, what is Payload? Is this their site? Yeah, good. I'm not mad at them for, you know, you gotta get to the money. Am I skipping over pricing? Where is it? Product. Oh, because it's Payload Cloud. It's no pricing. It should just be payload.com CMS/pricing. What a shame. Not on their part, just in general. Okay, thank you. User error. That's on me. That was on me. Okay, so good. Payload is open source. It's free to use. I'm going to self-host for the following reasons. It's $35 a month, and I would get one custom domain. That would mean that I would just you know what that means. I would only be able to do but the one site. Now, if I were building, like admin pages and people could route to them, which I guess in some ways I could do that and just like do subdomains, that wouldn't be bad. But again, I'm constricted to 3 gigs of database storage that I got to share across all of those instances. Now I'm thinking about like scaling it to other funeral homes, And then this 30 gigs of file storage is, again, good for one project. Amazing for one project. That should be no problem. All these things are great, but it's too much. Now, it's going to be a little work on my end. I'm going to learn a lot to make it, to kind of wire it out, as they say myself, but probably going to go with the paid hosting, but V1 is on Cloudflare pages right now. Check hosting is pricing. If you're making a timer, Johnny, or are you just trying to learn about like hosting and all that too? Is that what this is about? I'm assuming that's what it's about. Let's look at hosting now. I like to, a lot of people just Google hosting or pricing, but I like to go to the site and see how hard it is or easy it is to find what I need without going directly to it. It's not too bad. Nice. Everything you need to build a website, grade up to 75. Okay, yeah. So it's like, yeah, Johnny, I'm thinking about it now, and you've got the purple emote there, and as many ads as I've seen from them, I'm thinking you might be a part of the campaign. Can I be honest with you? Can I be honest with you, Johnny? I'm just kidding, Johnny. I'm going to read and take, but look how aggressive. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Opt out. $3.99 a month. Okay. What am I getting though? 100 websites. What are you saying? 100 websites. Oh, manage hosting for WordPress. But see, I knew there was a catch, Johnny. So is it? I guess this is what they say. Is it only WordPress, Johnny? I want to be able to do. Yeah, here we go. Mm, got it. Little AI situation. 100 messages a month for $20. Well, that's, I mean, no, it's Claude. See, like, yeah, this, like, AI, you gotta, I don't know. It seems like a couple of you got on that plane, you can do a custom site. Wait, the 399? You're saying this one here? That would be cool though. 100 of them? Let me read. Hosting website with free domain, free automatic. What I was gonna say though is like, definitely use AI, but also definitely learn some learn something without it as well. Learn many things without it. By learn, I mean use. This is like directed at me as well. But I will be heavily using Claude 3. Exactly. Johnny, yes. That 3.7 Sonnet. Plus you hook it up. Hold on, I gotta flip the record. Hold on, I gotta flip the record. Johnny, you got me hyped. Side 2 of caricatures by Donald Byrd. All right. You got to understand that. Really is such a good album. But anyway, yes, Claude 3.7 is better than whatever we were talking about. By far. That's what I'm using to help me. In fact, let's get back to that. But yeah, thank you for asking about hosting. I don't quite know yet. Go back to my app sandbox, and then I'm going to bring code and Claude back together. This is what I like to do. Boom. Okay. I have cursor, but I don't really use it too much because you have to pay for it to be useful, and I pay Claude. And once you hook up Claude with this is what I was going to say to you. Once you hook up Claude with a model context protocol server on your file system on the directory of the app, you're good to go. $3.99 per month. I'm pretty sure it's a 40 thing. It's just great if you're in it long term. Nice. But yeah, I gotta switch mine. Let's see. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, model context protocol, right? Is what I'm guessing you're referring to due to the latency. But yeah, it's the best thing. So let's see. As you can see, like I've been talking about it. So the combination of like project. I mean, I'm not telling you anything new, but like the combination of projects plus, MCP directly on the directory plus 3.7, and then if you fuck around and add thinking mode extended, it's like a wrap. And then this explanatory mode for new stuff. This is just really nice. A lot of oh, here's my cat. What's up, buddy? Hey. Ah. Say hello to these folks. There we go. That's what's up. Strange star. All right. Okay. But yeah, you know, it's like cat attack. You know what's up. The YouTube's like a minute behind, or maybe 40 seconds or so. It's really interesting. But anyway, yeah, we're exactly right. You and me, Johnny, we're exactly right. Hold on, buddy, just hang out. Okay, so yeah, what I need to fix right now is actually in maybe this combo. Oh no, yeah. Let's just go to the project. Yeah, maybe it's here. Exactly. Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay, so now what I want to convey. Let's organize some windows. We'll put a terminal over here. I'm gonna browse over here. Good. And what we observe is that if I change this name, upload file, it should change over here, but we'll see that it won't. So we want the label to be upload your file, or like your image here, right? And then I want to save it, right? So it says updated successfully, right? And then I go here and refresh the form. Yeah, it's not. It doesn't say that. It says upload file still. Or, yeah, upload your image here. Let's see. Upload file. Even here. Yeah, it doesn't. It just doesn't save. All right, so let's look in the logs. Some nonsense. Okay. There's an error building form state. Type error cannot read properties of undefined. Read in ancient classical field stack properties. Oh, okay. Get from import map lexical field. Oh, it doesn't know about the upload field. Right. Okay. Okay. Again, I want you. Okay. This album. Okay. It's very few words. There's not a lot of singing. All right. Not a lot of lyricism. And you know, you might fuck around and learn something. All right, good. That was me distracting myself from the fact that there's an error building form state. The fuck. Okay. Okay, yeah, so that's definitely from that. Can I repurpose from because yeah. Render server component. Forms field schema to form state. Yeah, it's definitely everything to do with my form here. Okay. And none of it, like all this is fine. Yeah, like how it's not returning a block state for these two here. Or three here. Yeah, no, these two here. Means that it is, let me see. Let me rubber duck you guys. Pause. Means that it is not the file upload. Let's go to the code base to explain this. The file upload block that I created within form is not being recognized. Let's be honest also that I created with Claude's assistance. It's okay, just have to be honest. Is not being recognized by the form plugin. Okay. So let's get into it. Let's tap in. All right. Do you want to test the solution? It don't work. It don't work, Claude. Actually, I don't want it to start, taking in Ebonics. They might start trying to get crazy with me. It doesn't work. I'll fix it. It doesn't work when I... Okay, so... Well, it works partially. As I'm typing, I'll explain to you that I think I had my mic off when I was telling you that the marquee's inaccurate now because I ordered a keyboard earlier tonight on Amazon. A Keychron C2 wired with brown switches. However, they're hot swappable, and I've never had a keyboard like that. So everything I just said to you, I learned in the last 87 minutes. Well, really, it just cemented. I knew about it, but now I really know what I got. And it was only $57 US. All right, so it works partially. Back to Claude. Now I'm back to Claude. It works partially in that the upload fields show up the form and added the admin panel. But when I try to make changes to any of the field to the labels, actually, yeah, let me see, can I change the other ones and if that will work. Most recent residency. Good. Yeah, so that works. And it does. That's beautiful. Change any of the the label or any field of either I should have gotten this error, or maybe not, because it was a success. Let's try to kick off the error again to confirm that it was in fact what we thought it was. Label. Let's change accept. Videos only. Save. Oh, did it say success? Updated successfully. Beautiful. Here we go. So we should have our error, yeah? Nor. Let's see here. I'll refresh again. Okay, so maybe it's when I refresh the admin form. Where's the videos only on? Really doesn't work. But I can't get that error to kick off again. Maybe it was only when I changed image upload. Which one is that? 5. Okay. Now, is this success here? Yes. Refresh. Oh. It's a silent error. What was happening before then? Let's see. I'm gonna try to. I need to recreate that. In the meantime, the file upload fields appear on the form when they first added me that, but when you edit them, change it. No. Man, I don't think that's what I said. Dang, that's too bad. It looks partially that the fields from the form. Oh, I should have said the changes don't persist. Damn. I wonder if I edit this, will it like change the changes? This is risky. Yeah, there we go. What's up there? Solution to address the synchronization issue. Check the current component. I think I should probably pass it the payload docs. I think so. Let's see. I'm just letting Claude go crazy on the code base. Custom form component setup correct. Setup is correct. Okay. The fierce approach. What? Specify identifiable fields by only looking for. Is it? I don't know. I don't think I like this approach. I have to be honest. Gotta be honest. Let's see. Whoops. Wrong way. Oh, yeah, actually. Let's see. No, it was not successful. That's too bad. Oh yeah, because we already have. Actually, wait. Oh, can't even blame Claude because I pay Claude. This is my deal. Oh yeah, I remember being halfway through this too. Fuck me. Let's see. It was up here. Form builder play component update. What did I say? Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, what it comes down to is like I don't like this solution. Oh. I can probably get away with just grabbing this div here. Yes, I think so. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Beautiful. Okay, I can even, let's see, do message. Yeah, that's the same. That's the same. Yeah, loading in here. Has submitted. Yeah, I can just take the form. No, everything's the same except I don't have this transformed form. Where are we getting that from? I must have missed this change because I manually updated it halfway through. I never made a website, but I made Minecraft Java plugins. Oh, you went Jafar on us, Johnny MC. You turned into the you went from Genie to Jafar. How did you turn red? What happened there? But yeah, dude, you could share, or maybe not, dude. However, you could share your deal, your project link only if you share how you turned into Jafar. If you don't know who Jafar is, I'm happy to tell you. Why is your screen name red? Why is your screen name red? yeah, from that utilities file, but I don't think we're using that. It was thing said before. That's okay. Yeah, so I think we're doing that. Yes. And then we just got to figure out what that transformed farm is, which I think I know. Okay, so then I could just take that out. Totally, yeah. But yeah, that's because the file upload field is not something we should do. So that is what we're going to do here. So this form. Boom, yeah, from form to form. But boom. Ah, fuck. So not good. And then boom. And boom. And then we should, yeah, exactly, transformed form. It's going to come from above here. I think he pulled it out of, yes. Okay. I don't think I like that though. These effects that transform. Oh yeah, that's the earlier approach. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I might have to do some rolling back. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna roll back. We're rolling back. New combo. New chat. Add a project. Yes. 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 What? No, 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 no. I don't want to do any of that. Get out of here. Let's see. Although, less. No, let's do nothing. Because what I want to do, let's see, get log. I want to roll back to. I actually want to go way back to like let's ask Claude. This is easier. How to roll back a Git repo to a specific commit. And then I need to git restore. No, not source. Yeah, actually, yeah, I'll just do source. Git restore source. Untracked files. Use git add to include OB committed. No, that's fine. Oh. Oh yeah, it's definitely red. Hosting it takes like a minute to get assigned to server. I see. Yeah. No. Oh no. Yeah. Dash hard. I think that's what I want. No. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh, because it's not there. I think it deleted it. We deleted it. I can't wait till this keyword arrives. Oh, it is there. Yeah. Okay, great. Now, this form should not have the file upload field on. Good deal. Okay. So we're at a good place. Because, yeah, we're at a good place. I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to, meaning obviously we'll still be able to have memorials, but the file upload via the form in Payload is a boss I don't want to fight at the moment. So I'm about to commit this, and then I'm going to think about some design. Claude gave me a couple ideas about design, which I have some ideas, but some tools I hadn't heard of. So let me commit this, because I added a sort of a theming system. Most of this is the template from, like, you know, the template design. I haven't, as I just mentioned, gone through and done a design deal yet. And these links are broken now because of something I changed in the Next.js application. So that's known. I think I've shown you these already. But yeah, this is a reference to why posts don't work and memorials do. Okay, so I'm going to commit. Confirm that everything's good. Yes. This form should, yeah, that's what it used to look like. Yeah. File upload's not there. That's good. But yeah, I'm not afraid to pull out, as it were, and try something different. Try a new strategy. You know, that wasn't working. Get status. Branches behind. Oh yeah, that's right. How do I right. I suppose but one. I don't think I thought through fully the rehashing strategy. Do I use AI to code? I don't use it fully to code, but right now I'm learning Payload, the ins and outs of Payload. And right now I'm going through the mud with Git, so I don't I want to be careful. Force with lease, what is that? Oh yeah. Are you talking to me, Johnny? What do you want the link to? Yeah, I'm just gonna YOLO git push dash force origin head. Oh. All right, boom. So let's check out GitHub. Should be good to go. Oh yeah, you get the link real quick. Recent pushers. 1 second ago. Yeah. Now, oh yeah. Good. Literally, that's the one. That's the one. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Actually, let me remind myself I did. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's this green color scheme. I'm okay with that. Da-da-da-da. Getting kind of hungry, you guys. Delete branch. Okay. Good. So I can go. Oh. Great. We're themed out. Boom. Well, at least just have separate colors. What else? Form creation, font. Homepage, comment somewhere else. Oh yeah. So back to this conversation we were having earlier with Claude. I want to try some of these design tools. This is kind of crazy. It just threw together a whole design system for me. But here, oh yeah, here we go. Dora.run. What is this? Let's open each of these. Dora.run. Gotta go to nonsense. Tab. Dora.run. Is that real? Yes. Okay. Then UI is right. That's such a good name. That's such a good name. Oh my god. Turn product ideas into concepts instantly with Gen AI. Great name. Framework I know about, but if they have a free model, I'll get into it, but I don't know if they do. Pre-built components. Offers funeral home specific components and sections you can customize. Really? Oh, big L for me for typing it every time when I could just copy paste. They don't have. There's no way they have funeral. Wow. Okay. Let's do it. Funeral home. With memorial pages that each This is reloom.io. Now what is this? Add the co-founder of Reloom. Demo. You want to hear this?
Project, and I'm going to title it Demo Project. Now, the first thing that you'll see when creating a new project is the generate sitemap modal. And the reason for this is because generating a sitemap with the help of AI is a great way to start any website project and get the creative juices.
That's okay. Okay, so primary sitemap. What do we got here? Here I had a section, right? Features section, features list, testimonial. What do you mean? Oh, the nav bar. Okay. What? Oh, I see. The homepage contains the. Okay, this isn't bad, you guys. This isn't bad. It's called reloom.io. I don't know. Up here. Reloom.io. RELUME. Okay, so now right here, the section, features list. Main services, right? Testimonials, yes. Yeah, I mean, yeah. 100 per fucking cent. Okay, so then we have more. Okay, why don't you do this page? Okay. About us. These are what? Different little pages. Okay, about us. Memorials, contact, and the memorial page. Yeah, that's exactly the structure for empty pages ready to generate. How much money do you want? And then what though? Primary sitemap. Number of pages. Computer home. Sitemap prop. Try example. Generate empty pages. What is it? What are these buttons? I should have watched the tutorial. That's really funny. Okay, so it looks like you can export to Figma. Oh my god. And then they're even trying to do. Oh. Now, hold on. Who's this other person? Oh, that's me. You see that wireframe? Oh my god. Lord have mercy. This is like the hurdle I've been having. I've been like, okay, I gotta, like design it now. But no, I don't. I do upgrade to access all wireframes. There we go. That's okay though. This line is enough. Style guide. What? Shut up. I might fuck around and pay these people. Okay, let's see. This is not the font. Let's see. Serif. Yeah, here we go. Merriweather. Okay. Like what? I want to select it. I guess I have to pay to select, don't I? Body. Like for similar. No, I want. Yeah, let's try this. What's the domain? Reloom.io. Currently implementing the backend. I have no idea how to approach the UX and UI, but I have no idea where to start. Well, looks like this is good for you. Hayes Plays. Tap into Reloom. I literally just typed, one sentence about a funeral home. This would have gave me. Now, obviously, these colors aren't going to be it, but, and you don't have to have a static prompt or need, it seems like, based on my 4 minutes of use. Yeah, down here in this space. There we go. Getting better, getting better. Okay. And then, where's neutrals? No. Wait, what? Pay attention to one of your brand colors. What? What does it mean? What does it mean? Who am I? But I mean, it's definitely not red, though. Come on. Where does that show up? Oh, they were thinking maybe like a complimentary kind of thing. I guess. This could work. I don't like it, though. Whoa. No, get out of here with those buttons. Yeah, everything's fine. They don't understand. We're not trying to compete with anybody. Oh, I can go over here. Yields of view shades. What? Shut up. Oop, no. Hold command. What do you mean hold command? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is a great tool. Oh man, this is good. I'm just clicking around, changing things. And I think I like it. Think I like it. Think I like it. It keeps you running. I might even just go with this right here. In addition to, oh my god, this is fantastic. 7-day free trial. Free trial. Oh, thank you, Johnny. I didn't know that. Let's look into how. Let's tap in. Hold on, there's one more suggestion to make too. Oh yeah, I could just use Shotzi. That's good. The Shotzi playground. It's not bad. I promise to come back to this. I promise. Air keeps you running. No, like, you do, because it can do whole websites. Examples. Oh, I could do little components, right? Like, okay. I don't know, though. Search the docs. Oh, I get it. Yeah, just please. No, this isn't going to work for me. It keeps you running. You do some testing. Shout out to Johnny. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm going to look into right now as well. Johnny's going to tap in and do some research. Let's see. Keyword shortcuts, learn, demo video. I like it when, like you leave and they ask you to come back. It's like, oh. But maybe that's for me. That's work for me to do. Now I'll go right to pricing. Oh no, never 18. I should have what? Free plans involve one project, one page. Share, no worries. Export Figma only, no problem. 30 Webflow components. Now one page. No, it is really a good tool. I might just do like a free, yeah, exactly like you said. Project 5 pages. I just don't want to have to cancel. It keeps you running, yeah. Wireframe pages. Oh, if I do the pro, then I can go ahead and get the pages I need, export them, and then I ought to be good. That's what I'm gonna do. Right, exactly. Yeah, Johnny, you're yes. I'm hungry, you guys. I kind of want some pizza, but it's late. And it's Thursday. Oh, it's one. You guys, I have to go. It's 1 a.m. I was tepidly productive in that I cleaned up. I did some tidying up of both the code base and my efforts. You know, I was being blindsided by my pair programmer. Thanks everybody for Johnny and Hayes. Oh, come on. Now my cat. Hold on. Hey, yo. Thank you to Johnny and Hayes. I thought there was another person because Johnny changed colors on us. For holding it down with me. This Reloom thing was really cool. Really, actually, probably gonna do the pro like you, Johnny, and then get these pages going because I could just go to town on limited projects. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do this. This is an excellent tool. 40 a month, 50 a month. I mean, this is that. I think it's worth it. It's really nice. Okay. Anyway, this is really exciting. This is worth. If you're about this life, like both of you said, Jar, this is worth watching the stream just for that. Share it with somebody else. And I would like to thank Reloom for sponsor. No, I'm just kidding. I never heard of this till today, and gonna be using it. I might be back here tomorrow. Who knows? Let's switch over to this here, and what will be tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow Thursday. It could be. Wow, it's so nice. I'll keep it for a year and keep using it. Yeah, exactly. Right. Exactly. Okay, I hope y'all have a great evening. Oh, whoops. And I'll holler at you soon. Bye.